If you want to export a JPG in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to grab a single frame from your project and save it as a JPG image. This is really useful if you want a thumbnail, a still image, a preview graphic, or just one clean frame from your edit. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut and move your timeline playhead to the exact frame you want to export. This part matters because whatever frame your playhead is sitting on is the frame CapCut will capture. If you need a little more precision, use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to move frame by frame until you land on the exact moment you want. That gives you much better control than dragging the playhead with your mouse. Once you've found the right frame, look at the player preview window. In the top right corner of that preview area, you should see the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu to open the drop-down options. This is where CapCut keeps the image export feature. From the menu, select Export Still Frame. This tells CapCut that you don't want to export the whole video, just the current frame as a single image. After clicking that option, CapCut will open the export settings window for your still image. Now, it's time to configure your JPG settings. First, you can give the file a name so it's easier to find later. Then, choose where you want to export it to on your computer. Next, look for the format option. If it's set to PNG, click the drop-down and change it to JPEG or JPG. That's the key step if your goal is to export a JPG file instead of a PNG. You can also check the resolution before saving. If you want the best possible quality, make sure the export settings match the frame quality you need. If you plan to use the image right away inside your project, you can also check Import to Project. That way, CapCut will bring the exported image back into your timeline for immediate use. Once everything looks good, click the blue Export button. CapCut will process the frame and save it as a JPG file to the location you selected. After that, you can open the image, use it in thumbnails, share it, or add it to another project. And that's it. That's how to export JPG in CapCut in just a few steps. Find the frame, open the menu, choose Export Still Frame, switch the format to JPEG or JPG, and hit Export. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.